Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am discussing the exercises of the human respiratory system class 6, right? First, just we go through the definitions. Breathe, it means one inhalation and one exhalation. What is breathing rate? Number of times a person breathes in a minute. Breathing, an exchange of gases between an organism and the environment. Cellular respiration, process of release of energy by breaking down food in the cells. Diaphragm, a large muscular curved sheet that forms the floor of the chest cavity. Exhalation, a process of giving out of air from the lungs. Inhalation, a process of taking in of air from the atmosphere into the lungs. Lenticles, small openings on the surface of the old stems through which exchange of gases in the stems occur. Lungs, main organs of respiratory system in land animals. Trachea or a tube-like structure present in the neck region that allows air to reach the lungs. Right? Now go through the multiple choice questions. A process of breakdown of food in the cells with the release of energy is called respiration. Breathing involves exchange of gases. Air sacs are present in lungs. Percentage of oxygen in the inhaled air is 21%. Name the chemical used to test the presence of carbon dioxide in exhaled air. It is the lime water. True and false. Breathing is a chemical process. False. Breathing is a physical process. Taking in oxygen-rich air into the body is called exhalation. No, taking in away it is called inhalation. While running, breathing rate of person slows down. False. While running, breathing rate of person increases. Trachea has cartilaginous rings. Yes, it is true. Air processed from bronchi to trachea during inhalation. False. Air processed from bronchi to trachea during exhalation, right? Fill in the blanks. During respiration, the process of taking in and giving out of air is called breathing. When the diaphragm moves up, the rib cage contracts. This process is called exhalation. One complete breath means one inhalation and one exhalation, right? Now, just excuse me. Next one, breathing is a physical process. Diaphragm is a large muscular sheet that contracts during inhalation. Now, short answer, where is trachea present in the body? Where is trachea present in the body? Trachea runs down. Trachea runs down the neck in front of the food pipe till the lungs and is supported by cartilaginous rings, right? Second, what are bronchi? Trachea divides into two tubes called bronchi. One bronchi enters each lung and divides to form a network of fine tubes ending in air sacs. Where does exchange of gases takes place in lungs? Exchange of gases takes place in air sacs in the lungs. What is the relaxed position of diaphragm? Relaxed position of diaphragm is exhalation and is like to an inward curved sheet. Fifth, what happens to ribs during inhalation? Ribs moves outwards during inhalation, right? Give composition of exhaled air. Composition of exhaled air, oxygen 16.4%, carbon dioxide 4.4%, nitrogen 79% approximately. What do you understand by breathing rate? Breathing rate is directly related to the oxygen required by the body, and the breathing rate increases to supply more oxygen needed by the cells. What are the two steps involved in breathing? The two steps involved in breathing are inhalation and exhalation. Ninth one, What is cellular respiration? It involves breakdown of food to release energy which is utilized for various body processes. It takes place inside the cell. Why do we sneeze when we inhale dust laden air? We sneeze We sneeze when we inhale dust laden air because it is a response of the body to expel the unwanted particles in the inhaled air. How is breathing different from respiration? See, breathing, it is a physical process. Respiration, it is a chemical process. Breathing, no energy is released. Respiration, energy is released. Breathing, it is between the organism and the environment, where respiration takes place inside the cell. Breathing, it simply involves exchange of gases, taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide, whereas respiration, it is breakdown of food in the cells to release the energy. Why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper after finishing a race? An athlete breathes faster and deeper after finishing a race to inhale more oxygen with each breath. What is bronchitis? Bronchitis is a disease due to viral infection or exposure to chemicals and pollutants. It leads to inflammation of bronchi. Oversecretion of lining of bronchi causes frequent coughing. Sometimes greenish discharge with cough also comes out. Name the pigment in the blood that carries oxygen. The pigment in the blood that carries oxygen is hemoglobin, right? Why do divers carry an oxygen tank with them while scuba diving? Why can't they take in oxygen dissolved in water? See, scuba divers or the divers, they carry oxygen tank. They cannot take dissolved oxygen in the water because oxygen dissolved in water is taken by aquatic animals, and that is through the gills. We cannot take oxygen dissolved in the water because we can take oxygen only from the air. That's why in the gaseous state, so they carry the oxygen cylinder along with them so that they can breathe it properly inside the water. Why do we feel hungry after heavy physical activity? See, if you have high physical activity, then what happens? Then the energy which is stored in your body is utilized while doing the physical activity. To get fulfill your energy demands, you feel hungry. You eat more so that you can fulfill your energy requirement which you lost during the doing various physical activity work. I hope everything is clear. Any doubt anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.